Welcome. If you love scrolling through Pinterest and want your videos to play automatically, even when you're using mobile data, this guide is just for you. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable autoplay videos on Pinterest using your mobile data so you never miss out on any creative inspiration, no matter where you are. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Pinterest app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping the profile icon. You'll find this at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now that you're on your profile page, look to the very top and tap on your profile picture. This will open up your profile settings, where you can customize how Pinterest works for you. Next, scroll down the menu and find the option labeled Social Permissions. Tap on it to access more settings related to how Pinterest interacts with your device and your social experience. Inside the Social Permissions section, keep scrolling until you see the toggle for autoplay videos on mobile data. By default, this setting might be turned off to help you save data. But if you want your videos to play automatically, simply tap the toggle to switch it on. That's it. You've now enabled autoplay for videos even when you're not connected to Wi-Fi. From now on, as you browse your Pinterest feed, videos will start playing automatically, giving you a seamless and engaging experience. Just remember, turning on this feature means Pinterest will use your mobile data to play videos. If you have a limited data plan, keep an eye on your usage to avoid any surprises. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips and Pinterest tutorials. Enjoy your endless scrolling and happy pinning.